In the steel smelting industry chain, iron ore pellets serves as one of the crucial raw materials, and its quality directly determines the quality of the final steel product. The use of binders plays a vital role in the production process of iron ore pellets. Jianjie pellet binders can be classified into organic, composite, and new type binders. While their primary function is to enhance the forming rate, stability, and metallurgical properties of pellets, different types of binders exhibit varying effects. For instance, our organic binder not only improves various properties of pellets compared to bentonite, but also reduces environmental pollution. Data shows that for every 1% decrease in bentonite usage, the iron grade can increase by 0.6%. The coke ratio in the blast furnace can decrease by 1.2%, and production can increase by 1.8%. Furthermore, due to the improved forming rate, dust emissions are reduced during the production of iron ore pellets, alleviating environmental pollution. In summary, the use of organic binders is an essential measure to enhance product quality, optimize smelting processes, and protect the environment.